Hello everyone. Today in EVS subject we are going to learn chapter 19 Animals Around Us. We see many kinds of animals around us. Animals also have body parts like us. Most animals have a head, body, legs and a tail. There are some animals who have short legs like tortoise or the lizard. They have short legs. There are some animals who have no legs like snake and the earthworm, and so they crawl on the ground. There are some animals who live on land as well as in water like turtle, crocodile or a frog. They can live on land as well as in water. Some animals, like fishes, live only in water. And if we take them out of water, what will happen? They will die. Yes. Birds are also animals. They also have two wings and two legs. They also have feathers and a tail. Most animals can fly in the sky. Some birds, like duck, they swim in water. Insects. Insects are small animals with six legs. You must have seen a mosquito. A mosquito has six legs. Most insects have wings and can fly, like honeybee, butterfly, mosquito. They have wings and they can fly. Sounds. Animals make sounds. We hear a bark and we know that a dog is nearby. So now, dear students, let us find out and learn the sounds of different animals.
Tigers and lions, they
Roar.
sheep and goats beat. Elephant trumpet. Monkeys chatter. Crows cow. Cat mew. Hens cluck. Birds chirp. Pigs grunt. Ducks quack. I hope you must have enjoyed listening to the sounds of different animals. Now we have learned that we see many kinds of animals around us. Some animals live on land, example lion, elephant, tiger. Some live in water, example fish. And some animals They live on land as well as in water. Example: frog, snake, crocodile. We also learn about the birds and insects. Birds, some birds can fly. Birds like duck, they swim in water. Insects have 6 legs and they also fly. And at the end, we learned about the sounds of different animals. I hope you enjoyed and you have learned a lot from this lesson. Thank you.